What's going on, everyone? We're here today for a kickflip challenge. In front of me, we have 5 skateboards, and whoever can kickflip all 5 of these skateboards the fastest is gonna win a $25 JAMBA JUICE gift card. Let's go. Who wants to go first? All right, so board number 1. This may look like a normal innocent board, but it's actually a 27-ply thick skateboard. Right here we have the Braille Sharker with tiny trucks and cruiser wheels. We have the Braille Skateboarding Ghost Edition. We have the collapsible board. We have Glow Skating. And last but not least, we have the metallic 2x4, which is pretty heavy and also see-through. So you guys can kickflip these boards in any order that you want, but Glow, you wanna go first?
Oh, switch! Kickflip to kick it off.
As I landed the switch flip, I nominate Uzi.
What the? All right, everyone. The timer starts on the first pop. If your time surpasses 5 minutes, you are disqualified.
What the heck, dude?
Oh, yeah. All right, you got a strategy? How are you feeling?
All right, so I have history with all these. This one I actually don't remember. This one I broke. I was talking all super Western when we had them.
And that one?
This one, I think I was hurt when we were skating this.
You can't test the physics, Dan. Just start kickflipping.
You guys count your ins? No. Right here.
Time start. Oh!
20 seconds left.
Oh! Oh, no. Oh! Primo! Dang, Glow really bodied you going first. Ow! Watch your ears, Glow. Oh!
That was it.
Come on, Ooze! Come on! Oh no! Oh no, he's choking!
25.
He's choking! Oh no, we're losing hardware. Oh!
Oh my God.
Oh! Pause the time, pause the time!
It's over.
Dang, okay.
Stop.
All right, just play it, sure.
Yeah, that one's cool. You know what? All I care about is this board.
The Sharker? It's for JAMBA JUICE. Uzi, don't hit 5 minutes.
I'm hitting 5 minutes.
Come on.
It's not happening.
Try fakie flip.
Oh. Oh, they both got light up wheels. Believe.
Yeah, 3 minutes.
2 minutes left, Uzi. 2 minutes left. There you go. Come on, Uzi. Oh! 3:40. You got a minute 20 left. Oh, there's one! There's one! Oh!
15 seconds left.
Let's go!
10, 9, 8, 7. Not even gonna make it.
Come on, Ooze!
4, 3, 2.
Oh! Is that time?
That's time.
Going for the Michael Jordan buzzer beater.
I'll go next. All right, hold up though.
No way.
Still did good. You still got 2 out of 5
Rough
in
out
5
there.
minutes.
Thank you.
Not bad, not bad.
All right, everyone, so because my ankle's not fully healed yet, I'm gonna have to do this switch.
Oh.
So I fully am aware that I'm challenging myself even more than that, but just because I don't want to extend a kickflip, I've literally have not done proper kickflips for like 7 weeks now. So I'm making sure that I heal that flicking leg good. So I'm gonna do switch.
All right, on the pop. Whenever you're ready.
No pop, no pop.
Ready.
Oh! That was
Got it. Oh.
No, it's not looking too bad. Looking pretty good. You got this.
I feel like I'm in the circus right
You
now.
got this. Oh my goodness. Oh, you got that, Mo. Whoa! Whoa! What's going on here?
It was in the way. You see, I switch flip way better now.
Whoa!
I feel I'm like slacklining or something.
You got 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Dude, the goal is to just land something.
Oh! Overflipped!
Okay, this is really hard.
Let's go! One down. Woo! Switch hard?
Take it, Brett. You got time.
It's taking a lot of energy.
Oh my goodness!
1 minute, 40 seconds left.
Oh my gosh, that is not happening. Don't play. That is too heavy.
You got it, Mo. 1 minute remaining, almost. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Come on, bro. 20 seconds.
Oh!
That's some more.
5 seconds.
Come on.
5 seconds left.
On the butt, buzzer beater. Oh!
Oh my gosh, that was wild.
Time.
Uzi only did 2 as well, so both of you are disqualified, but you're also both tied for first. So that's cool. How
There you
was
go.
it, Mo? How you feel?
I wish the best to Ricky and Glow, but I feel like Glow might do it because in the past he's like kickflipped almost every board within time.
That's right.
So I have faith.
If I recall correctly, Glow kickflipped a board for $100 from Mr. Muggly Manuel Havada.
Yeah.
Should I go with the
You
robot
go with whatever you
transformer?
want to go with.
All I know is Uzi went and ate with me today, so I feel good. Nope, I ain't starting with that one.
I would honestly probably finish with that one.
I'm going with the big doggy right here, because I have most familiarity with this 6-layer deck.
All right.
What? Are you kidding me? Oh! That's big ice fault right there. What the? Oh!
That's good. That's good. On to the Braille Sharker.
Oh, goodness.
Oh!
I don't like that.
So he goes for the...
I'm going for the...
Oh! What the? No.
My legs.
Hands down, come
My
on.
legs hurt, bro.
Keep your hands up. Oh! Collapsible Primo!
Come on!
2 hands down, does not count.
Come on, baby.
Oh!
Woo! What? Come on. These are so loose.
Go, the one at a time approach.
Oh!
Dude.
Come on, Transformer.
Oh. Dude, the mic. Come on, Glow.
Get cut in the ankles.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Come on. I'm touching gold, baby. Oh!
Nope.
I'm clutching up right here. Michael Jordan style. How did y'all kickflip this, honestly?
Oh, that's good. That's good. Oh! Come on.
Yeah!
That's oh, that's good. That's good.
This is for the crew.
Oh, I'll count it.
349. Boom.
And Glow is the
Very
first one to
respectable
complete
Glow.
them all.
Boom. That was incredible.
All right,
I
Rick.
like his strategy. I've been thinking about strategy too. I got the advantage to go last.
You're gonna have to hold up though because the order is not one that you would expect.
I got a cramp, bro.
I'm gonna hop up in there, Rick.
Oh, all right.
All right, we got this. We got Gabe going in. Let's keep him in there. Do not take him out for any reason. We are leaving his 5 minutes in there. Let's keep it going.
This is all about strategy.
No, it's about having fun.
It's all about strategically having fun. That right here. It's all about fun. Rick, if you move my board one more time. Y'all ready? These are all going down first try.
Get this to timer. He's very
nervous.
confident.
I'm nervous.
Nope, keep the confidence level.
I'm
Keep that
confidently
energy.
nervous. I'm
Nope.
just scared of
Keep that
slicing
energy.
my shin open, dude.
Keep that energy. Tell us when you're ready.
I'm ready. Is Rick ready? Oh, that hurt so bad. It's okay. I need to feel it out. I just had to feel it. I just landed primo so hard. Ow, that hurt.
Oh, hang on.
You got it. Yup. 30 seconds. 3 seconds right there.
I hate you!
What?
We're halfway through.
I wish I could focus this board, but I
Try,
can't.
try
But
it.
I can't.
Hey, if you focus it, you win.
But progression! No!
Oh my God. You should have started with the smaller boards.
Give me a 5-second countdown.
Oh, boy, time right now. Coming up on 4 minutes plus.
Come on, Gabe.
For the buzzer beater, baby.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It does not count.
Aussie Dan, please keep
Hey,
all in
Aussie
there.
Dan, remember what we told you. Keep it in under all circumstances, no matter what he said.
Cut this out.
Oh my gosh!
Here we go.
You want the $100 bet?
Here we go.
Okay. Oh, you're gonna do redemption off timers?
This is not sanctioned.
I just need to land.
Unsanctioned battle.
That's right.
I may not have done anything, but I'm still hyped.
What do you mean? For someone that hasn't skated in 3 months, that's a big deal.
Any tips for this one, Gabe?
No. I got nothing for you.
Dude, I forgot how heavy this one was.
There's one down. Oh! Wow. Woo! Oh my goodness. One more. Wow.
This one again.
Keep the time going. He's unsatisfied. Oh. He's not happy till he gets the land. Oh, that's gotta hurt. No, he did not.
Woo!
230.69. How do you feel?
That was
Rick?
fun. I was stressed. I thought that one was gonna get me. But these two worked out pretty good. I think I had the strategy, line them up. I got to watch everyone else try, which is definitely big help.
I sure helped you with that 27 flyer.
Honestly, I thought that first tee, no issue, nothing. That was like a hard one, that ply one. But yeah, that was fun. Boom.
Well, you are the congratulatory winner of the $25 JAMBA JUICE. Congratulations, Rick.
All right, well, that was very fun, and we want to show you that it is possible to get the front foot back on the kickflip. You just got to keep going, keep pushing yourself, have fun, skating safely, and then you can experiment with some fun boards like this. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave it in the comments below. Want you to learn how to skateboard? We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.